Today we will be visiting the best places in Montreal. Montreal is a city with a rich history and culture, and there are many places to visit that showcase its unique charm and beauty. Montreal, the largest city in the province of Quebec, is a vibrant and culturally rich metropolis. Montreal was founded in 1642 as Ville-Marie, a French colony, and quickly became a hub for fur trade and commerce. Over the centuries, Montreal evolved into a center of industry and culture, attracting waves of immigrants from around the world. Montreal is experiencing a population surge unlike anything it's seen in decades. In the past 5 years, the city's population has grown by over 100,000 people, reaching a new high of over 1.7 million residents. The Montreal Metro is a public transportation system serving the city of Montreal, Quebec, Canada. It consists of 4 lines and a total of 68 stations. The Metro was first opened in 1966 and has since become an integral part of Montreal's transportation network, providing fast, reliable, and convenient transportation for millions of people every day. The Montreal Metro operates from early morning until late at night, 7 days a week. It is considered one of the most efficient and reliable metro systems in the world, with trains running every few minutes during peak hours. The Metro is also accessible, with many stations featuring elevators, escalators, and ramps to accommodate passengers with disabilities. The Montreal Metro is known for its distinctive design, with many of its stations featuring concrete vaults and curved lines. The Metro also boasts several works of public art, including murals, sculptures, and mosaics. Many of these works of art were created by famous Quebec artists and have become part of the city's cultural heritage. Metro is your best way to get around Montreal. Now let's talk about a few of the best places to see in Montreal. Notre Dame Basilica is a famous cathedral located in the city of Montreal, Quebec, Canada. It is one of the most important architectural landmarks in the city and a popular tourist destination. The basilica was built between 1824 and 1829 and is considered a masterpiece of Gothic Revival architecture. This stunning 19th-century basilica is one of the city's most recognizable landmarks, known for its beautiful stained glass windows and intricate wood carvings. Mount Royal Park is a must-see place in Montreal. This expansive park is located in the heart of the city and offers stunning views of Montreal, as well as opportunities for hiking, picnicking, and other outdoor activities. Next must-see place is Old Montreal. This historic neighborhood is home to some of the city's oldest buildings and is known for its charming cobblestone streets, quaint cafes, and picturesque architecture. Make sure you explore the Plateau neighborhood. This neighborhood is known for its vibrant art scene, bustling streets life, and distinctive architecture, with its colorful row houses and narrow streets. Montreal Museum of Fine Art. The Montreal Museum of Fine Arts is world-class museum features an impressive collection of art, from ancient artifacts to contemporary works, and is a must-visit for art lovers. The Botanical Garden. This lush and sprawling garden is home to thousands of plants, trees, and flowers, as well as a variety of greenhouses and other exhibits. The St. Joseph's Oratory. This massive domed church is one of the largest in the world and offers breathtaking views of the city, as well as a peaceful and inspiring setting for prayer and reflection. The Olympic Stadium, built for the 1976 Summer Olympics, this iconic stadium is now used for a variety of sporting events, concerts, and other events, and offers stunning views of the city. The Biodome. This indoor nature park is home to a variety of animals, plants, and other ecosystems, and offers a unique and immersive experience for visitors of all ages. The Biosphere is an environmental museum, located on a man-made island in the St. Lawrence River, offers interactive exhibits and displays on the environment and sustainable development. The Montreal Underground City is a vast network of interconnected shopping centers, office buildings, hotels, and residential complexes located in the downtown area of Montreal, Quebec, Canada. It is considered one of the largest underground city systems in the world, spanning over 20 miles and connecting more than 50 buildings. The underground city was created in response to Montreal's harsh winters and provides a way for residents and visitors to move around the city without facing the elements. Sainte-Catherine Street is also a must-visit street in Montreal. Sainte-Catherine Street is a major commercial street in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. It runs through the heart of the city's central business district and is one of the busiest shopping streets in Canada. The street is approximately 1.6 miles long and runs from Atwater Avenue in the west to Papineau Avenue in the east. Whether you're looking to do some shopping, grab a bite to eat, or simply take in some of Montreal's unique architecture, Sainte-Catherine Street is a must-visit destination for anyone visiting the city. The street is also home to a number of notable buildings and landmarks, including the Eaton Centre, the Montreal Forum, and the Place des Arts Cultural Complex. The street is also close to several major attractions, including the Bell Centre and the Montreal Museum of Fine Arts. Sainte-Catherine Street is known for its vibrant atmosphere, with numerous shops, restaurants, and cafes lining the street. It is a popular destination for both tourists and locals, and is especially busy during the holiday season when it is decorated with festive lights and holiday displays. These were few best places that offer just a taste of what Montreal has to offer, and there are many other hidden gems and interesting sights to discover in this vibrant and culturally rich city. Hope you enjoyed this video.